Hi there, this is Mr. Evans. This video is going to look at the links between mission statements, corporate objectives and strategy, and we're covering this bullet point on the specification here. Just a reminder of where our mission statement, our corporate objectives and our corporate strategy comes from. These tend to be set at board level. It's the management. Obviously, they will, they'll probably consult employees. They may consult customers and investors. But the management tend to set the mission objectives, the corporate objectives, the objectives that the whole organisation wants to achieve, and the corporate strategy, the plan that they're going to use to get there. From these, this corporate strategy, these corporate objectives, come our functional objectives. So, how's the marketing department going to contribute? How are operations going to contribute to achieving our corporate objectives, making a successful corporate strategy? And that the functional objectives may well be set for those departments at board level, but it's up to the departments to achieve those objectives. And the departments, therefore, will usually come up with the day-to-day tactics that are used in order to achieve the strategy. So, I'm going over this quite quickly because I did cover this in 3.7 video 2, but just a bit more detail, looking at the process and the links between actually setting a mission statement and, setting a mission statement and the process of then filtering down those goals, and it becomes a cycle. So first of all, we set our mission statement. Then the board will want to conduct some sort of internal and external analysis. Internal through looking at strengths and weaknesses, doing an audit of human resources, looking at the human resource, doing an audit of human resources, doing an audit of the finances, seeing what's available to the organisation, plus the external analysis, looking at doing a PESTLE analysis, looking at what's going on in the external environment, seeing what competitors are up to. So we've got our mission statement. We then analyse where are we internally, what are our strengths and weaknesses, where are we externally, what are the opportunities and threats in the environment, and from that we can set our corporate objectives. These should be realistic but challenging and help us achieve our mission statement. Once we've got our corporate objectives, we can create our strategy, our plan for achieving it, and once we know what our plan is, then we can break that plan down into what each functional area, what each department is going to need to do to contribute towards making that a successful strategy. The plans will then be implemented. Okay, so each functional area will set their strategy, and they'll implement their plans through utilising day-to-day tactics, working towards achieving the goals that have been set. There'll want to be a process, maybe at the end of the year, maybe 6 monthly. Lots of, probably, functional, the different functional areas will meet maybe even daily, just to review how they're getting on. But there needs to be some process, some formal process, and at board level it will usually be done maybe once a year of reviewing. Okay, how far did we get towards our corporate objectives? Have we achieved our mission statement? Was our strategy successful, or does it need to be amended? Okay, so they are the links between mission statement, corporate objectives and strategy.